ears.
Yeah. Are you up, son? That shit got cold in the motherfucker. Some air fresh here, huh?
Don't do that, Cluster.
Yeah,
That shit's hella loud. I did not expect that at all.
Damn, big things come in small packages.
No kidding, right? And you wanted more of those, huh?
Sorry, sissy.
He had to test it out somehow.
Yeah. What a test that was.
Stop speaking to me.
Aww.
Man, it's gonna be pure torture in this house for you. Oh.
Damn, somebody's butt hurt.
Stop!
Stop what? Hey, I gotta come down there because I gotta eat.